Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here one of the upgrade of the DT8 Ultra smartwatch, a very popular premium ultra watch or watch ultra clone smartwatch in the market, and we have a new version of it, an upgrade. What we have here is the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, so the first version we have it here is the DT8 Ultra smartwatch. As you can see here, it has a very different packaging, but still it is using the Wear Pro app. And this time we have an upgrade, and of course I guess it has new features, much better hardware. Okay, so we're going to have the unboxing of the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so seems like we are ready, so let's check, let's unbox the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, so far it looks nice here, looks, the packaging looks premium. Okay, very well done. The build is okay here, or the make. So Wear Pro app, DT8 Ultra, and let's check what color option do we have here. Okay, seems like we do have the black 49mm. So let's check. Okay, let's remove the plastic first. Okay, let's see what this Ultra Plus smartwatch has to offer. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so here, smartwear links people and the world. Okay, very nice packaging so far. We have here the user manual, DT number 1 smartwatch user manual. So let's check. Okay, I guess it is also available in English and Chinese language. Okay, so again, we have the user manual. We have the magnetic charging cable, and we have here the smartwatch with the strap already attached to it. Okay, so nice looking smartwatch here. Says here we do have the black, but we do have the space aluminum gray or space aluminum. Okay, again, the contents are the user manual, the charging cable, magnetic charging cable, and the smartwatch. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, to see, so we can appreciate the design and beauty of the wearable. Okay, so similar to the first one, we have here the watch strap lock support. Okay, so beautiful casing here, I guess zinc alloy, big crown button. We do have another button here, and we have the action button and the speaker. Okay, at the back we have the IML back cover for the strap. Okay, flexible silicone strap with a steel buckle. Okay, let me compare it with the DT8 Ultra, the first version. Okay, as you can see here, they almost have the same appearance. And on the other side, it's almost the same. Okay, so we have here a dual mic, I think, as you can see. So you see the difference here, and seems like the action button is much pronounced. So the same back cover here. Okay, so let's have a closer look here at the smartwatch. Okay, so this is the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, and as you can see here, seems like we do have an improvement on the black border. Okay, we're slim here compared to the first version. Okay, for the specs, let us check. Okay, so we have here the specifications. Let me show it to you. So we have here 2.02 inch TFT LCD with a 385 by 420 pixel resolution, 380 mAh, standby time 65 days. That is very long standby time, more than a month or 2 months, I think. Use time or normal usage with 10 days. Okay, so IP68 waterproof rating. Okay, so let's remove this one, and let's check on the screen display. Again, the screen display is very wide, and with the improvement on the black border bezel. So hello, as you can see here, beautiful screen display, very sharp. Okay, so let's check. Okay, you can use this one. We have additional watch faces here. Okay, so that one and this one for the sports. Okay, so the same with the previous version. Okay, so let's take a look at the design of the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, so far it looks good. It looks nice. So we'll check on its menus and functions of this wearable, okay, on our next video. So again, if you have any questions regarding the preview unboxing of the wearable, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.